Hi dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I am coming to you with my natural horror. I'm actually loving my cornrows. So yeah, I got my cornrows done by a client of mine. Shout out to her. And yeah, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I did this simple makeup, and this is what you guys are going to be seeing in the next coming few weeks. I'm going to be uploading once a week eye makeup. So yeah, to see how simple this was, I probably say simple a lot because it's simple to me, but I'm sure you guys can do this too. So yeah, please stay tuned and enjoy this video. So today I decided to do things a little different. I started off with my foundation, and I've highlighted and contoured because normally you guys know I actually start with my eyeshadow and then do the rest later. But you guys, if you have been on this channel, you know actually this is one of my popular videos, the one that I was highlighting and contouring, which I honestly think was crap because like I am just terrible at explaining. But I am happy that you guys are enjoying that because it shows number of views were corner. So in today's video, I'm sure I have already told you, but yeah, so we're gonna be doing a pink and blue eyeshadow, which is actually an inspiration that I got from Pinterest. I'll upload a picture here for you guys on how that looks. Okay, so firstly I'll be using Retro Matte liquid lip color in the shade Tailored to Tease. It's from MAC. I'll be using that as my transition shade because I've seen that most of the time, well rather it's the palette that I have. If you guys have seen my previous video, I use a lighter concealer as a base so that the color pops, but it does not show the way I actually want it to. So I'll be using this because they are very pigmented and it is matte, so it is definitely going nowhere. So I apply that. See how pink that is. So I decided to, okay, I'll be looking this way a lot because my brushes are here and they're dirty as well, so I'll just use this fluffy brush. So yeah, and then spread that out. So I actually decided that I'll be doing at least one eye makeup look for this spring, maybe once a week, for you guys to have ideas and stuff to play around with this summer. I mean, we were locked down and we were not exposed to the outside world for a while, so I know a lot of people are actually excited about the restrictions being uplifted. So yeah, people are out and about, and yeah, some people are telling me that they struggle with eyeshadow and they love it. Like there's this girl I was with the past weekend, she loved my eyeshadow, and that's when I decided that I should actually maybe do one video a week for you guys to get some eyeshadow inspiration for the summer. And that is what I'll be doing for you guys. So you guys, if you know that MAC matte lip colors don't go anywhere, if you apply them on your lips they do not move. So this is actually an easier way to apply eyeshadow for beginners. And this is a very simple look, by the way, very simple. I like how this pops on camera actually. And I'm using natural lighting, by the way. I don't have my ring light in this room and I'm lazy to go fetch it from the salon, so I decided on natural lighting and it is so beautiful. And I also like my cornrows, by the way. If you guys like them, please give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, comment down below team natural Tresemme. So yeah, you blend that out, blend. This is very simple actually. It's gonna be a very quick video. Done. And the next color, I'll be using this blue from my previous palettes. I'll be using this blue just as a base, but we want a shimmery finish afterwards, so I'm using this as a base. You blend it out into your pink, into a beautiful ombre. You see, well, I didn't do a lot of concealer as a base actually. I just have my foundation on and I didn't set that. You see, it does not, the blue does not pop so much on us beautiful, well, beautiful black girls. It doesn't pop that much. But I like the ombre between the pink and the blue. So you're gonna blend that out, blend. And this is very simple. This is a very simple look. And guys, please tag me on my Instagram page if you guys try these out. Do tag me on your stories, and also please follow me. And I've noticed, I was looking at my YouTube analytics, you guys watch but are not subscribed. Most people who watch my videos are not subscribed to the channel, guys, so please do your best and subscribe to this channel. It is free of charge, mahala, please guys. Let's help grow this channel. From the previous video which I posted last week, I only gained 2 subs, which are appreciated, but we can do with more. Remember, by the end of September we should at least have 500 subscribers. So yeah, after I'm done with that, I'll go in with this palette again. From, it's a different palette from Krylon. I'll be using this shimmery blue. I'm using this blue here so that we have some vava. Okay, taking a small fluffy brush, I go in with my NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray just to wet the brush. You can use water as well for this trick. Just spray your brush wet, and then let me come closer, show you the difference. See how beautiful that is. So I'm just gonna apply that on my lid. It's a nice teal turquoise blue. We just want that shimmery vibe here, and also blend it into that blue, the first blue that we applied. Now to blend that, because you see it looks a little messy, you go in with the first brush, the first blue brush you used, the first brush you used for blue, and go in to the blue that you used at first, and then blend the 2 colors so that it does not look so messy. I'm loving this natural lighting. I'm enjoying it. And then go back to the shimmer one just to make it pop to your satisfaction. it's so interesting that when you look at our parents' old pictures when they're applying eyeshadow, well, there wasn't too much blending back then, but when we look at their pictures, they had these bright eyeshadows and stuff. It looked funny, and at some point I thought, I would never be this girl. But look at us now. But obviously we are doing it in a more advanced way. So it looks much better. And to think that when I started doing makeup, I wasn't even a fan of eyeshadow. But yeah, I'm an artistic person. I love colors. I think that's the reason I got into the nail world, because when I started doing nails, actually I fell in love with nail art than the whole doing nails thing. So when a client comes and wants plain nails, I actually get bored, because my first love is nail art. So yeah, that's why I found doing makeup easier. I'm still saying that I'm not the best, but I try and practice. Yeah, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the better your skill. And that's it. So I applied this powder. I'm baking so that I can wipe away the fallout when I do my eyeshadow. So I always have a cat eye on, but this time I'm just gonna do just a little bit. Okay, so this was my Essence liquid ink eyeliner. It is waterproof. That's one of my favorite eyeliner. It's actually my only, because yeah, I've tried some before and they were not doing justice. So the next, go in with the Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost mascara. This one isn't my favorite, but I need to finish the product first before I actually have another one, but I want to finish this one first before I start using that on. So yeah, put on mascara. Okay, so for my bottom lash line, I'll go in with this pink from the same palette that I'm using. It's in it's the V2 Bright palette from from Kryolan. I'll just go on my lower lash line with that color, but it's not so pigmented. So the pink is the same color as the lipstick pink. I could do the lipstick on the lower lash line, but I feel like it's gonna get messy. So that's why I'm opting for this color eyeshadow, even though it is not pigmented. If you like the blue, you can go in with your blue. This thing is actually not showing at all. There. And then go in with my mascara on the bottom lashes. And we are done. So I'm gonna wipe away this powder on my face and apply my lashes off camera. and then I'll be back with the final touches. And my lashes are on. If you guys like these lashes, you can check them out on my Instagram boutique. It's at Delicate Dolls Boutique. So once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna do a finishing powder. I'm using this LA Girl in the color Toffee just to set my whole makeup. And please guys, do not swipe your brushes across your face when you're doing your powder. Just dab that shit. Do you guys know that TikTok video? I like it. I love TikTok, but I can't. Like, I'm terrible at mimicking those people. Yeah, you can also follow me on TikTok. It is at Theo_Dolls. So sometimes I do some TikTok videos over there, but I'm not the best actually. So once you're done with that, go in with your setting spray. This is a MAC Prep and Prime matte setting spray. Okay, so I'm not going to do your highlights and stuff, but if you guys like that, you can apply your highlighters and stuff. I think I just look pretty like this. So I can't find my lip gloss, so I'll be using this Toasted Brown from Maybelline. This is one of my favorite lipstick. It's a nude lipstick, so that's what I use all the time actually if I don't feel like lipstick. And whenever I'm wearing bright eyeshadow, I only do lip gloss or this lipstick because we already have drama on our eyes. So I could wear a wig, but I'm not going anywhere actually guys. To show that I love you, I did this tutorial for you. So I'm just gonna be home doing some chores, looking this pretty. Yeah, so I'm just gonna brush my head and put on some earrings and then take some Instagram photos. I'm struggling with Instagram. Like when I look at other pictures, at other people's profiles, their feeds are so nice and well curated. Mine is just a mess, so I'm trying to fix that. So I don't know when to post or how to post, because I also don't want random pictures up there, but I'm always posting on my stories while I'm trying to fix my feed. So you guys please follow me there. I'm sure I'm saying this for the 100th time, because I don't know. And yes, let me brush my hair. And that is it for the video, you guys. See how simple eye makeup is. All you need to do is just take your time and practice, and the most important thing is to blend. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I have more coming for you this spring. I'm only going to be doing them for spring, and yeah, so you guys get to enjoy all these bright colors for summer. And please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, see you next time.